I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the quiz and confirming essentials. You are signed in, the form is set as a quiz, and you know the target date and duration. Once done, click the gear icon for settings and choose Quizzes to enable grading options. Make sure to set the time zone in your Google account so scheduled times match students' clocks. Then save settings and switch to the questions view so you can attach timing controls using add-ons or linked calendar events. Next, install a scheduler add-on to control start and end times because native Google Forms lacks built-in timing per quiz. Once you choose an add-on, click Install and grant the requested permissions. This allows the add-on to modify the form and access your calendar if needed. After installation, open the add-on from Extensions and select your form. Then configure start time, end time, and duration. Make sure to pick the correct time zone and whether late submissions are blocked or allowed. Finally, enter precise start and end times, set the per-student duration if supported, and define access rules such as one attempt or locked submission. Once configured, save and run a quick test using a separate account to confirm the quiz opens and closes at the right times and that the timer behaves as expected. If something fails, make sure the add-on has calendar and form permissions, verify your time zone, and reauthorize or reinstall the add-on as needed to resolve common sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.